Moving on to our next award, which is for the Digital Innovation and Transformation Leader of the Year, Information Technology, goes to Mr. Chitra, Sabapathy, Ranganthan, Associate Vice President, Emphasis Corporation, New York.
Good morning, everyone. I'm profoundly honored to receive the Digital Innovation and Transformation Leader of the Year for the Information Technology Award. While I regret my inability to accept this prestigious recognition in person, my gratitude for this accolade is boundless. I extend my deepest appreciation to Bizox Media Network and all those involved in the selection process. This accolade inspires me to continue driving innovation and excellence. Thank you for acknowledging my contributions and inspiring me to continue making a difference in the Indian economy and beyond. I wish all other awardees have a very great success. Thank you. Thank you so much.